Want to do a little unboxing? Don't you love an unboxing? Look at how cute this little package is. Let's see what's in here. This is my first time doing one of these. I've never seen these before. The other day, I just happened to be browsing, and you know how Amazon do you? They're like, hey, we know you love unboxings. Get this. And I said, well, fine. And now here we are. Amazon knows us too well. Oh, it looks like we had some stickers in there. You get over there. Nope, not stickers, just little things telling us what the names are. Oh, these are going to be too cute. You get two of them? Come on now. Come on now. That is a value. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, look at her. She's adorable. What's going on with this little hat? How cute. It's a little crocheted headband. Are you serious? Oh, I love it. It's a little teddy bear. Stop it. That's too cute. And it matches her dress. What? Oh, look. It's got the little tail. Oh, her dress is adorable. Her little pigtails. And she has a keychain. It looks like you've got two different methods of keying with her. I don't really get the whole keychain thing, but I would put her on a keychain. She is too cute. Her eyes do not move. Weird kind of looking mouth, but everything else about her is absolutely adorable. This little outfit is too much. I would have put this on one of my babies when they were little. Her legs work. Her hands work. She smells weird. What's her name? Her name is Cubby. All right, Cubby, you come sit down right here while we get your friend out. Cubby is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh, no, I didn't open it right. No, I don't want to cut her. There we go. Oh, look at her little braids. She's got ratty hair. Isn't that just like one of your real children? She's got ratty hair in the back and the little pigtails. There, that kind of helps, doesn't it? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, she's sad. Look at her little sad face. She's gonna make me cry. She's wearing a frog headband. Look at these frog eyes. Do the eyes move? They do. They're squiggly eyes. Oh, that headband is. Stop being so sad. This little outfit is adorable. Her arms move. Is it a real pocket? No, it's a fake pocket. This really soft little outfit. I want more of them. Okay, her name is Lily. Lily, somebody took her baba and she wants her baba back. And just like with her friend, we've got two little ways to keychain. These would make amazing stocking stuffers, gifts. Oh, they're too cute. Let's have one more look at these little girls together. Oh my goodness, I want them all. I'm going to have to get them all.